Hi children. Last class I taught you how to write letters from A to H, capitals and smalls. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h. Now I am going to teach how to write I to Z capitals and small letters. Let's start, children. Capital I, draw sleeping line from the top, the down sleeping line, middle standing line. Capital I, J, draw sleeping line from the top, draw standing line, bottom, touch the bottom and left curve. Capital J, draw standing line, draw slant line, start from the top, again touch the bottom slant line. Capital K. Capital L, draw standing line till bottom line, draw sleeping line on bottom, draw standing line from top, draw slant line till bottom, again go back top line, slant line, draw standing line. Capital M. Capital N, draw standing line from the top, draw slant line till bottom and go back till bottom, draw standing line. Capital N. Capital O, like circle, curve, in the opposite side you close. P, draw standing line from top, draw curve, off curve. Q, draw circle in the middle, draw curve. R, draw standing line, draw curve, draw slant line till bottom. S, draw right curve, in the same way opposite side draw left curve. S. T, draw sleeping line on the top, draw standing line till bottom, draw standing line, draw up curve down and again go back standing line till top line. U. Capital V, draw slant line till bottom line, in the same way opposite side go back slant line till top line. Capital V. Capital W, draw standing line, draw slant line till bottom, again come down till bottom, draw slant line, again standing line till top. X, draw slant line till bottom, in the opposite side draw right slant line. X. Y, draw small v like, draw standing line. Z, draw sleeping line from the top, draw slant line, this is left slant, and the back sleeping line, Z. Now small letters. Capital I, small I. Draw standing line, keep dot from the top. J. Draw standing line, down, small curve. Keep dot, small j. K. Draw standing line, in the middle lines, keep curves. L. Draw like standing line, small l. M. Little curve, like this. Draw standing line, in the same way go back, draw curve, down curve, again go back, draw down curve. This is right in the middle lines. Small m. Small n. Draw little curve standing line and go back, draw curve, down curve. Small n. Right in the middle lines. O. Small o. Small p. Start from the middle till bottom, give curve. P. Q. First draw curve, start from the middle line, draw standing line, down top, down bottom, draw little slant. R. Draw standing line and little curve, right side. S. Draw in the middle, curve, same way, and right curve and left curve. Draw standing line till bottom, draw sleeping line, middle line, draw again sleeping line. U. In the middle line, draw curve, up curve, on the standing line, draw till bottom. V. In the middle, draw slant lines, left slant, right slant. First right slant, left slant. W. Draw left slant, draw right slant and left slant. W. X. Draw slant line, right slant and left slant. U. X. Y. Draw up curve, the same way draw standing line, back sleeping line. Z. Draw in the middle, draw sleeping line, draw slant line, back sleeping line. Small z. Small capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Okay children.